Attention, America. What if I told you we might not be alone in the universe? And what if the biggest warning we could get from aliens was just 4 chilling words? Stick around till the end, because what comes next will blow your mind. The signal that changed everything back in June 2022. Something unreal happened. Professor Zhang Tongjie, China's top scientist in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, and his team made a discovery using the FAST telescope, the largest radio telescope on Earth. They picked up the strange signals. Signals that weren't natural. Signals that could be alien tech. Now here's where it gets crazy. This whole thing sounds exactly like the opening of Liu Cixin's The Three-Body Problem, a sci-fi masterpiece. In the book, there's a secret organization called Red Coast Base. Inside, a scientist named Ye Wenji spends years listening for alien signals. Then one night, she gets one. A distorted, unnatural radio wave. Not random noise. This was designed. Her hands shake as she decodes it. And when she finally does, her blood runs cold. The message, just 4 words, repeated 3 times. Do not answer. In the three-body problem, those words weren't a greeting. They were a warning. The signal came from the Trisolarans, an alien race whose planet orbits 3 unstable suns. Their world is hell, constant destruction, forced evolution, endless suffering, and they're desperate for a new home. Earth. That message, it wasn't from their government. It was from one of their own, a dissenter who didn't want humanity wiped out. Do not answer meant, if you reply, we'll find you and we'll come. But Ye Wenji, she answered anyway. And that's how the end began. The Trisolarans immediately locked onto Earth's location. Their fleet launched 400 years away, but already they sabotaged human science to keep us weak. By the time they arrived, we'd be armed, helpless. Now think about this. We're doing the exact same thing right now. Sending signals, scanning the stars. What if we find something and regret it? Even as Stephen Hawking warned us, do not contact aliens, because to them, we're ants. And you don't ask ants for permission before stepping on them. Here's the real kicker. In three-body, humanity does fight back, using the aliens' one weakness. But the final twist? Neither side wins. Because out there, there's something worse, something older, something that makes both look like cavemen. Slow, haunting tone. Which brings me to the question. If you were Yuwenji, what would you do? Stay silent? Play it safe? Protect billions of lives? Or answer, risk everything, just to know? Tell me in the comments. But choose wisely, because in the real universe, there are no second chances.